Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. If you have been wondering how you can insert a new entry into an already existing table or delete one, this video tutorial will answer your questions using few steps. Let's proceed. Stick around. In this particular table, for example, I want to insert a row above this one. So to do that, right click here. Right click on this row and then you'll be prompted with this. Right click here and then you will be prompted with this menu. In this menu you can see that there is insert. Bringing the cursor on the insert, it will pop up on the side menu showing you what option you want to insert, whether it's a row or a column, whether you want it above or below. In this particular example, I want the row to be inserted above this row. So I will choose insert row above. Click on that. This will add a blank row above the current row. Now you can start adding the data you want to add. Let's say, for example, Samir, and then here Adam, department, geography, and so on. So what if you want to delete an entry? You decided that this entry you don't want it anymore, or perhaps a student left the school and you want to delete it. You want to delete the detail. So the easy way to do it is just right click on this one. For example, let's remove the row we just added. Right click on it again and then delete. Here when you click delete, you will be popped up with this menu. Here you can choose which one you want to delete, if you want to delete a row or a column. In our case we wanted to delete the entire row, so click on the entire row. This will delete the row. If you had wanted to remove a column, the procedure remains the same. Right click here and then click on delete, and then you can choose entire column. This will remove the entire column. If you want to bring it back, had you changed your mind, then you can do Ctrl Z, press Ctrl Z. This will restore the table to its original form. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.